It's my pleasure to introduce the newly elected mayor of the city of San Bernardino, Mayor Helen Tran.
Thank you, Edward, and the team in Vartan, this beautiful space, to support the business entrepreneurs and the small businesses, because that is the backbone of every community. As your newly elected mayor, I intend to continue to support our business folks, to continue to support our residents, our community members, to make sure this city is shining. And I have to tell you, it is happening. So thank you.
That's awesome. That's awesome. I get the feeling, Mayor, that you were about your business.
Let's see whose conference room is better.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
This is a great view.
It's great. It's great.
You can see the development downtown. When it's down, and then it's back up.
Yes, this is going to be one of the best. Every suite has a view.
So the Studio D, this whole purpose is for to bring in
To promote young entrepreneurs, so they can work together, network together.
different business
Different
backgrounds.
businesses.
Okay.
And we will provide resources, training, shared conference room.
Oh, I love that model right
Yes.
there. So to me, I love connecting like-minded business
Yes.
folks to be able to be more impactful in the city.
Being an entrepreneur myself, I know how important it is to network with like-minded people and inspire one another. It's very important for me. And Edward, for me, has been a blessing.
What a great support, team, and just to elevate.
He's doing great work, so we got to support him.
Who's excited? So with that, I want to say that we've been incredibly intentional with the space that we've built. It is about creating an opportunity in a place where startups and businesses and people with vision and dreams and who want to innovate can come here, and they can have their feet planted, they can have the resources and the environment that they can really use to propel themselves and their families to the next level. And we love that you're here and you've been supporting us and each other to make San Bernardino even a better place to be. So thank you for that. Thank you for being so welcoming. And we are looking forward to continuing our work here.
My name is Prince Ogidikwe, and I'm with Assembly Majority Leader Luis Gomez Reyes' office. And now she couldn't be here because she's in Sacramento. I'm holding it down for all of us. I would like to present this certificate of recognition from the Assembly member to Studio D. I hereby extend best wishes for a prosperous future filled with continued wealth and success. Thank you.
Thank you so much.